everyone, I am Ivan de Guzman and I am discussing basic trigonometric identities. I have two examples here, and the first example is secant theta times sine theta equals tan theta. The reciprocal identity of secant theta is 1 over cosine theta. So 1 cosine theta times sine theta equals tan theta. Next is sine theta over cosine theta equals tan theta. Sine theta over cosine theta is also a tan theta too. So this is the proof of a basic trigonometric identities. The second example is sine squared times negative theta plus cosine squared times negative theta equals 1. Next is sine times negative theta to the power of 2 plus cosine times negative theta to the power of 2 equals 1. Next is negative sine theta to the power of 2 plus negative cosine theta to the power of 2 equals 1. Sine squared theta plus cosine squared theta equals 1. The answer of Pythagorean trigonometric identities is 1 equals 1.